I'm going to teach you how to create a capture page in this video. And if you haven't been to my tutorials yet, keep in mind that you can get this funnel builder tool with a low cost of $25 per month with all of the support and all of the training that you need at the description of this video. I'm going to jump right into this video because I like to keep these specific tutorials really short. All right, so right here I'm at the home page of my funnel builder. What I'm going to do is go into funnels to create a new funnel. You can create these from templates if you want. You see you have a ton of templates here as well as a ton of templates here on the left hand side that you can look in, but I already did that video, so I'm going to go ahead and create one from scratch on this video, and I'm just going to give it a name. So let's say capture page example, and I already gave it a little URL slug right here, and just click add. So now I'm here in a brand new page, and I typically like my pages to be white color in the background, maybe something like this here that you see at the bottom, but we're going to stick with the white color. But keep in mind that you can go in the blocks and start changing the colors and everything like that. We're going to keep this video very specific to creating a capture page, not so much designing a capture page, so that I can make this very short, as well as you'll be able to find other design features and stuff throughout these tutorials. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the widget, and I'm going to add some text, and I did create some text here, so I won't be trying to think of what to say on this video. So I'm just going to copy over a header, and hopefully I can paste it here with no issues. So create stunning funnels so you can pull in prospects and generate autopilot sales. I'm just going to highlight this, and then up here you can have the different fonts. I need to add my favorite font here, but if you cannot find your font that you want here, keep in mind that is a tutorial on how to add custom fonts that you want to add here. I'm going to pull this down a little bit. Obviously I'm double clicking to highlight all of my text, but you want to center your text for your capture pages, and then I like to bold mine, but depending on the text, bold might not look that great, or you may not want it bold. I think I also want to make this a little bit bigger here. So create stunning funnels so you can pull in prospects and generate autopilot sales. And I'm going to add a second line of text here. I'm going to click on the widget, and I'm going to add the text. And so once I add the text here, I'm going to pretty much copy some text that I already created so I can speed this video up for you. So this low cost unlimited features funnel builder helps you automate sales 24/7. So what I want to do is I want to center this. All right, and I think I'm gonna just leave it like that, how it is. I don't know what font it is. It's Open Sans, so looks decent to me. Of course, if you're a better designer than me, then you'll have fun with this funnel builder. Then the next thing I kind of add, I think, a form. So you want to add a form where they can put their information in. This is the form by default. Most of my forms will be name, email. Sometimes I add a phone number, but for this, I'm just going to keep it the name and email and delete the subject and the message here. Remember that all of this stuff is customizable. This name here goes to this name, so I'm just going to delete this because I don't want the name showing here, but I know this is the name field, and the same for the email. I don't want the email thing here, so I just delete that. So here in the customization, I do like a light placeholder to say name or whatever it is, and I also like a prefix, so I can click on my prefix and add a person here. So I'll just add a person there, and as you can see, it's changing over here on the left. And then I want to obviously make it required, and then I'll do the same for the email. I'll just say enter your best email here, and then I'm going to want to add a prefix to this as well, and let's say an envelope. All right, and then as you can see, all of that change. You could also change colors and stuff. For the purpose of staying brief in this video, I'm not going to customize a ton of stuff here, so I can click save. Let's just do some customization on the buttons real quick. We could give it a nice black. I'll keep it maybe the black button, but obviously you can change it to whatever you want, whatever color you want. You could do the little orange, yellow, right? We'll just do maybe a yellow button. I think that looks more natural for the capture pages I see today. And then you can change the border size. I like to change mine. You can keep it the same or change it. I'll round it out a little bit. And then you also have, well, that was the border radius, so the border size is something different. I'm not going to have a border, so I'll just leave that alone. And ultimately you can change the text styling. So mine right now is Open Sans and it's white. Let's change it to black. I think black is going to show up better. All right, and then obviously you can change what this says here. Let's say check out your tutorial here. There's some other things you can do here, but ultimately this is the builder, and that's the label. Let's go to the button. I kind of wanted to mess with the text size because that's just a little bit small to me. Bold it. Also change on Open Sans. What did I choose above? Times New Roman there. there. All right, that is live. It's a simple capture page. You can do anything you want to this capture page. You can add a header with a background up here. You can add some pictures of testimonials down here. Whatever it is that you want to add on your capture page, you can do. This is the basic stuff that you want to do. Obviously, you're going to have to connect it to your autoresponder with whatever system you're using. So here I could add my autoresponder if I wanted to and add it to a list. This is just a dummy page for you. I don't need to do all of that, but those are the little small techie stuff that takes a second to do in this system. And that's it. You literally have a capture page. Very simple. Definitely go ahead and pick up this builder if you're looking for a funnel builder that you can use. That's simple, that's easy to use, that's drag and drop like you saw here, easy to edit, no glitches, as well as get as much support as you need in our Facebook group, as well as some live support that you'll be able to receive once you get inside of this tool. This is the Real Robin Williams, and I'll see you on the top.